Getting sales appointments, Dave. How do you do it? Well, don't call them sales appointments. Call them having coffee with a friend or having a chat on Zoom over a biscuit with some people you want to get to know better. Because most of us are good with people who we know, like and trust. So it's all about relationships. An old speaker buddy of mine, Matt Crabtree, built his entire consultancy network around having tea and coffee and biscuits and lunch and dinners with clients. He didn't have sales appointments. All he did was sit with these people, ask them about them and their problems that they're facing, and eventually they'd then ask him, what does he do and how can they help him? My friends, it's about time we changed our way of thinking, because the old way just doesn't work for most people. If you're an outright hard-nosed close salesman, then yeah, it is all about getting sales appointments. But for most of us, it's about long-term care of clients. The only way we can long-term care for people and service them is if we understand them. So seek to understand them. Get friendly. Take them for a coffee and a sticky bun and find out about them. Then they'll find out about you. And then you'll know whether or not you're right to work together. And it won't be a sales conversation. It'll just be, are you right for this event? So, if you want to smash that glass ceiling of 100 grand turnover and move on to the next level, maybe if you take the Speaker Readiness Scorecard, it will show you just what it is you've got to be doing.